Hi everyone, I'm making a quick little help video because I know this is an assignment that some students struggled with in the past because it is more of a complex assignment. The journal application through your life, what you need to do is you need to interview at least 3 individuals. It can be through phone, it can be through email, it can be in person. It's up to you how you want to interview them, but you need to pick 3 individuals who are at different stages in their life. So you can't just pick 3 children or 3 adolescents. You need to represent at least 3 of the different stages. So the different stages that I'm referring to are childhood, adolescence, young adulthood, middle adulthood, and late adulthood. And you need to interview them, asking them different questions. So some example questions that you can ask them. So I do have a chart, which I'll show you here in a moment, that lists some questions, but you could ask them, what activities do they do on a regular basis? So that's getting at the physical aspect of development. What do you find most important to you, friends or family? That's getting at the social aspect and why. How do you learn best? How do you continue to learn on a daily basis? So that's the mental aspect. What do you believe is key to happiness? So that's both social and mental. So you'll put the person's name. You don't have to write their name. I don't need to know their name. You could just put like adult I interviewed and put down what stage they're at in life and then put down how they responded. So the part that most students miss though is, so first they need to write down their information and put everything down in a completed little chart about their physical, mental, and social changes for each of the stages. So most students miss the fact that once they've recorded their information about their interviewee, then they have to write a paragraph in which they evaluate and summarize the response of each stage. So basically after each interview, you need to do like a short little paragraph summary of what they responded with and how it compares to that chart you filled out on your notes from chapters 10 through 12. So I have the document. I'm going to show it here for you in a moment. The document allows you to write notes about physical, mental, and social development at each of the stages. And then it also includes where you can type up your interview notes, as well as where you can type up that paragraph reflection. So you need to ask each interviewee, so each person you're interviewing, at least 3 questions. They should be similar to the ones above for the premise, and then you need to do the reflection. So I'm going to show you that sheet right now. So here's the document that's shared with you in the lesson plan. So first you have gathering notes. So this is what you'll fill out based off of your text and reading. So what does it say about childhood, physical development? What's it say about mental, social development? Yes, you should fill out all the notes first. And then the second part is interviewing. So you need to interview 3 individuals. I give you the questions right here. Remember, you need to ask at least 3 of these 4 questions to each person you're interviewing. I would also include, besides for just these 3 questions, a little background information about them. So age, gender, occupation, where they live. I think that will help you a lot in your reflection. So then I have a spot where you can type up your paragraph reflection based off of what they said and how it compares to what you read about that stage in life. So I have 3 spots since you have to interview 3 people. So there's your 3 spots that you would record your information. Then you just download it, go File, download as a PDF, and then you're going to submit it to Blackboard. So here's your Blackboard assignment. Here's the link I just showed you. And you will submit it right here where it says Unit 4 Journal Application. So besides for this assignment, you also do have a discussion board post assignment where you have to post the most article that you found that relates to the current information we're learning in this class. So first paragraph, you summarize that article. Second paragraph, you explain how it's connected to the chapter readings we just read, and then you provide a citation to that article and then respond to 2 classmates in a way that furthers the conversation. I hope this little help video helps you understand what you need to do for this assignment.